welcome to my Unreal Engine tutorial series. In this tutorial, I'm going to be talking about creating materials for our assets. So let's get started. First of all, I need to bring my content browser, place it here, and place this here. Okay, I can remove this one. Then adjust so there will be enough space here. You can hold down Control if you see the thumbnail is small. You can increase the thumbnail by holding down Control, then using your mouse wheel button to zoom in or zoom out. So from here, I'm going to be creating some materials. To create a material, first of all, let me create a new folder. I will call this folder BP. BP means blueprint. So I'll be doing everything inside this folder. It's good to create a folder in order to arrange your projects very well. So I'm going to create another folder. I will call this folder blueprints. Close. So for now, let's create a material. How do we create a material? First of all, what is a material? A material is just a texture, but combined with different texture to form something, to form a realistic, good-looking thing. So actually, I don't know what to qualify it with. So I'm going to create something here. Let me create my floor. So I will drag my floor here. This floor, let me drag it here. Then up, come up, focus, fine. So to create a material, first of all, you right click, go to materials and textures. From materials and textures, you click material, then you give it a name. I can call this floor mat. Mat is the same thing as material. You can give it any name of your choice, but I'm using mat as to show that it's a material. So I'll add it here. From this place, this is the material interface in which you combine textures. So in this interface, we have something here. This is called the material editor. So in this material editor, we have different options. We have the base color, metallic, specular, roughness, emissive color, down to refraction. But not all of them are active. Some of them, if you watch closely, you see that some of them are gray because they are being controlled from here. They are controlled from here. So for now, we are using surface. So in this surface material, the blend mode is opaque. So we want to create a material. How do we create a material for our floor? First of all, to create a material, you need to have your textures. Let's say we imported textures here. but I don't have any textures for the floor right now. So I'm going to use from the starter content, which is around here, textures. These are the textures. So I'm going to be using brick clay as our texture for our floor. So to connect a texture to a material, there are many ways to connect it. In this brick floor, we have Gillespie's brick cut stone. We have the D represents diffuse, which is for the base color. We have the N is for the normal, for details, and we also have different options also. So I'm going to be using this and this for our material. So to do that, we have to hold down Control, click the next, then you drag it into here. Or you can simply right click, type texture sample. Look for texture sample. This is our texture sample. You can add your material, your texture, or you can just press T on the keyboard to create a texture sample, and then assign this texture here. Then we'll create another texture sample. Then we'll assign the texture here also. You can also browse for the texture in this place. When you open this drop down arrow, you can search for the texture. So to create a material, you simply connect this to this and this to this, because this is the diffuse and diffuse goes to base color. This is the normal goes to normal. So I told you recently that the N represents normal. So this is the normal texture. So we are connecting it to the normal on the output. This is the output of the material. So after that, you have to save. You have to wait. So I just paused the video for a little while because my PC is very slow and I don't want to waste much time on this. So we have assigned our material and we have saved it already. So we can now go to where our material is. To assign a material to an asset, you just have to drag and drop it on the asset, or if you don't want to do that, you can select your material from the detail panel. You click use selected assets, which is this selected asset. You assign it here, or you can open this and browse to your work material, then assign. But for now, I think this material is let's bring this down. This material is dull because very dull because I reduce the quality from here. So let me set. Then if I move, you see, this is my work material. I've assigned my material to my assets. Then close. Focus. So thank you guys for watching. This is a big pleasure. I really appreciate. Thanks. You can also comment and like my videos. You can subscribe to my channels. Thank you very much for your support.